We are gonna start off by deboning the chicken thighs. I'm using a deboning knife. Be careful not to cut yourself. This is actually the second time I've used this knife trying to debone a chicken. So I still have a long ways to go. There you go, I'm almost there. Alright, struggling a little bit. Almost there. Come on. Come on, bone. Yep, squeeze it a little bit. And there you have it. Up, up, it's cut. Now I'm using this, what do you call this? This is a meat tenderizer with a lot of spikes. So I'm just going to poke the chicken from the skin side and the other side too. Here's the other chicken thigh that I actually deboned pretty good. Yep, tenderize it again. There you go. I like using this meat tenderizer. It actually flattens the chicken a little bit more. There you go. Poke it. And then I am gonna trim a little bit of the chicken skin and some of the fat.
Excess fat. Trim
There you
that
go.
out.
Trim some of that fat.
Voila.
And then put all those bone in a pot. And you can boil this and make broth, chicken broth. So I'm just gonna sit it on the stove and boil that. And then I will season the chicken with sea salt. Season the back as well. Add some garlic powder. It's kind of like when you season your steak. And then some black pepper. Remember to do both sides. and some Chinese 5 spice. So I'm gonna repeat the same process as what I did with the other chicken thigh. So I'm gonna salt this one, spread it, salt the chicken skin, put some black pepper, make sure to do both sides, some garlic powder, and don't forget the Chinese 5 spice. Let's turn on the stove. Make sure that your pan is hot before you put any oil on it. Let's add some oil. Put the chicken thigh on the pan. Be careful when you put the chicken on the pan because it's gonna splatter a little bit. Flip the chicken on the other side. Now we're gonna fry the skin. Let's turn the chicken on the other side. Now we're gonna add some butter. And let that butter melt. And then after it melts, we're gonna start basting the chicken. this is my baby boy Samson. After basting the chicken in the pan, I'm going to put it in the air fryer and air fry it for about 10 minutes at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm also cooking these two that it's going to be ready for air frying. And there you have it, folks. Crispy, juicy chicken thighs.